Say hi, Ate Patty is recording.
Hi.
We're gonna send this to Kuya Dawi.
Hi, Kuya Dawi. That's the new camera of Jen, digital camera.
Yeah. What are you doing, Ate Patty?
I make this cross stitch, the horse of for nanay. My wing. Ay, basta nakasya yung $5.
Ate Beng, we're recording.
Wag Jen, ang taba ko.
Di naman ah.
Spicy?
Tabat na yan yung kuko. What?
Say hi, Ate Beng. We're gonna send this to Eric too.
Hi Jen. Hi Eric. Hindi mo love si Tita Beng. Ay, hindi ka nagsa-text kay Tita Beng. Wala. Wala. Hindi mo ako love, Eric.
Uy. No, I'm really gonna send this to him.
Nangangayayat ka, Tamigo.
Kumakain siya.
Ang taba mo kamot
Ang
talaga.
lapit eh.
Parang kang dabya na.
Ang may lapit.
Kuya,